how to flip and rotate a video in Capcut. In this video, I'll show you how to flip and rotate a video in Capcut. So to get started, go ahead and open the project where you want to flip or rotate a video to, and then go ahead and upload the video for that project into the section. So you can go ahead and simply import it from your local device to Capcut. So once you have the video, go ahead and drag this video into your canvas. So once you have the video on your canvas, go ahead and click on this button at the right side of the crop button, and then under that you'll be able to find this reverse mirror and rotate option. So if you want to rotate your video, simply click on this and then click on this again, click on this again, and then click on this again until you achieve the specific rotation that you prefer to use. Now if you want to mirror this video, simply click on this mirror button. So this will allow you to flip your video to the left or to the right. So once we rotate this would be shown flip. So you can also reverse this video if you prefer to do that. You can also freeze this video if you want to do that. And that is how you can basically flip and rotate a video in Capcut.